Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Nissan Rogue key fob battery. It's a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself in just a few minutes. Before we begin, gather your materials. You'll need one new CR 2032 3-volt coin battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Having these items ready will make the replacement smooth and quick, ensuring your key fob is back in action without delay. First, locate the small release button on the back of your key fob and press it firmly. This will allow you to slide out the emergency metal key, which you can set aside for a moment. Next, look for a small notch or slot, usually near where the emergency key was. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it. This action will help separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery nestled inside. Use your small screwdriver to carefully pry out the old CR 2032 battery from its holder. Be gentle to avoid damaging the contacts. Now, take your new CR 2032 3-volt coin battery. Hold it by its edges and insert it with the positive or plus side facing downward into the compartment. This ensures proper contact and functionality. With the new battery securely in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until they snap firmly into place. Ensure there are no gaps. Finally, slide the emergency metal key back into its designated slot at the bottom of the fob. Now, test your key fob by trying to lock or unlock your vehicle to confirm the new battery is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.